Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babygrokx token. Now the Babygrokx token is about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about half a day or so. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the original Grok token, obviously very popular. Babygrok came out, very popular as well. X, that's Elon Musk's company there, XAI, X.com, all the things have X, SpaceX, and so now we have Babygrokx. And this token is going to start their pre-sale soon on pinksale.finance. Now this is a whitelist only pre-sale. Usually on PinkSale, they will have a whitelist registration button at the top of the page that you can click on and fill out a document and of how to get on the whitelist, but that's not available. I just looked on their webpage and I'm looking at their Twitter that only has 7 tweets on it, and there's no whitelist registration on here. So it's safe to assume that if you're looking to get on the whitelist, the best place to find that out is to go on their Telegram. Join the Telegram at Babygrokx_global. It says Babygrokx aims to solve real-world problems and has the potential for widespread adoption. This opens up opportunities for investors to benefit from its success. Almost 3,000 members on the Telegram, 2,926 members, 545 online. That would be the best place to figure out how to get on the whitelist, if you're looking to do that even. And then also on their at the very bottom of their webpage, they have an email if you want to try to contact somebody. support@babygrokx.xyz. You could ask there. Now, the whitelist pre-sale here is on pinksale.finance. And minimum buy is 0.3 BNB and max buy is 0.5 BNB. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Pre-sale is going to start exactly December 18th at 13 hours UTC time and go until December 18th, 14 hours UTC time. So it's just a 1-hour pre-sale. Soft cap is 75 BNB and hard cap is 150 BNB. So either they reach 150 BNB or the 1 hour is up, whatever comes first, and that's when the pre-sale will be over. Initial market cap estimate $54,576. Name of the token is Babygrok SpaceX, and not SpaceX, but space and then X, and that is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. There's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens. So it says Babygrokx, contract audited, low cap, low tax of 5 and 5, renounced contract post-launch. Babygrokx's unique value, AVDEX trending at launch, BSC trending at launch, massive marketing, big partners, and based team. Now they do have a full audit. You can check out at on PinkSale here. They were audited by Analytics Audit. You could review the full PDF of that. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, you didn't get on the whitelist, or you watch this video way later, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Babygrokx token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, babygrokx.xyz. It pops up right away on their webpage. You can't miss it. And you will have to set your slippage somewhere around 5% for buys, 5% for sells, and maybe transfers as well. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 180 days. Now, how the token is split up here is pretty straightforward. 67.3625% of the tokens go to pre-sale, and then the rest, 32.637131% of the tokens go to liquidity. And that is just how it's split up, just in two things. Very straightforward. Their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here, just joined in December 2023, brand new project, at Babygrokx_BSC. Only 7 tweets so far. They talk about their audit, they talk about the pre-sale, they talk about all that type of stuff. So check out their Twitter. So Babygrokx is the fusion of the two most robust, passionate crypto communities, Grok and X. We've taken the best of both elements, both worlds, and combined them into a project that promises to be unlike anything you've ever seen before. We're not just a meme coin, we're a meme coin with a mission. So we have come back to make Grok's storm even more intense with Babygrokx. We support Grok, Babygrok, and X community, and we want to make Binance Smart Chain great again. So they actually, do they even tell you what the taxes are for? It doesn't even seem like they say what the taxes are for, which is pretty annoying, but it is 5 and 5, so it's safe to assume it's not anything fun like Reflections or anything like that. Now, their partners are PinkSale, DexView, BS, Binance Smart Chain, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and AveDex. So there's going to be some of those listings there after the pre-sale's over. Yeah, the taxes are probably for like marketing and development or team or something, you know, not super awesome. Otherwise, they'd probably tell you. Phase 1 of the roadmap is establish the website and social community channels for Babygrokx tokens, conduct the analysis and market to identify the target audience with competitors, develop a white paper, initial marketing campaigns to attract potential investors, hosting Ask Me Anythings to engage with the community, smart contract implementation, and conducting a contract audit for security and reliability. Phase 2 of the presale, initial marketing campaign number 1, collaborating with influencers and key opinion leaders in the crypto space to expand the reach, establishing partnerships with other meme projects, fostering cross-promotion and collaborative initiatives, developing and launching a meme-based NFT marketplace, organizing community events, contests, and giveaways to incentivize participation and attract new members. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, decentralized exchange platform trending, 5,000 holders. And then phase 3, initial marketing campaign number 2, applying for centralized exchange listings, developing the V2 NFT store, develop a play-to-earn game, launch of a dashboard, more community events, more holders. Last phase, phase 4, maintaining active and engaged community, continuously innovating, supporting ongoing research and development, exploring new partnerships and collabs, establishing a sustainable revenue model, and more holders. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Check out my Facebook in the description box where I post daily crypto memes. Give that a follow. If you want to help support the channel, you can support on Patreon or hit that join button. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.